Angedezens. Hi. Let's start our video. First, draw a sketch of a torn paper. Leave a part of the paper and done. Make some circles at each of the end to make it look like folded. Now make a feather motif at a corner. Make the second end of the paper looked like folded. After drawing the outline of the base, write the name you have chosen. I have chosen adnan.som writing that. Start coloring of your choice. Also make the feather colorful. Make the borders by using some random lines. Add some bold effect to the letters. Start drawing some random lines on the paper. Make circle or random shape in each of the block. Draw any doodle you like, or just make some curve lines as shown. Add some shades to the boundary. Add some shades to the shapes also. And ta-da! Your cover page is ready.